Hi guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today, I'm actually going to be doing a full fall, what? Today, I'm actually going to be filming a full fall get ready with me type of video. I'm actually going to be showing you guys a lot of the products that I'm going to be using today. It's been a while since I filmed one of these, so I thought I would film it today. Some errands to run. Yeah. Please make sure you are subscribed. If you want to see my fall routine slash get ready routine, then just keep on watching. I woke up this morning, I took a shower, hence why my hair is a little bit crazy. I'm really trying to make my hair grow long, you guys, so I'm not really using any heat. And excuse my face, it's been breaking out lately. Here I have a little dipper forming on neck 3. I don't know what's going on here, but just excuse this mess. So before I apply my makeup, I always spray my face. I'm gonna be using this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and rose water. Love this thing, so I just prep my skin by spraying this. It feels amazing. It just wakes me up in the morning and it feels so good. First, talk about these eye masks. So this is 16 packs of eye masks. So if you guys can see, I like to do this once a week. So this company actually reached out to me via Instagram and they sent me these eye masks, which I am so super stoked because it does have a lot of water in it. Whoa, it feels so nice. So I'm just gonna apply this like right here. Oh my gosh. The Shell & S Collection Gold Eye Mask are the ultimate hydration treatment, fortified with hyaluronic acid, pure collagen, and vitamins to help visibly reduce fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. What I do is I put these eye masks on, and then you're supposed to leave them on for 20 minutes. I feel so amazing. Look like I'm about to be a superhero or something. I have enough to last me like literally a lifetime. So thank you, Michelle and us, for sending me these eye masks. If you guys want to purchase your own, I will leave a link down below, and you do get 20% off. You can use my code casual20 at checkout. I will leave you a link down below where you can get these eye masks. I'm gonna first prime my eyelids. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. I usually start out with doing my eyebrows in the morning, spoolie and brush everything through. If I'm Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, love this thing. I have like a couple errands to run today, you guys. I need to go grocery shopping because I'm literally out of food. Pretty much it for my eyebrows. I don't really spend too much time on it. Some concealer on an angled brush. So people do their makeup different. I always do my eyebrows first, then my eyeshadow, then foundation. Comment down below, what kind of order do you guys do your makeup? I just find if I do my eyeshadow first, it makes cleaning up my face easier than opposed if I was to just have foundation. You know what I'm saying? I'll be using my Morphe. This is the Happy Hour 15H eyeshadow palette. I love this for the fall time. Just look at all the colors. Look at all the colors. It's so pretty. Get a paper towel. Sorry if this is kind of like a boring tutorial. I'm gonna go into this color mixer right here. Almost like a transparent peach shade. It's been a while since I've done a talk through video. I'm gonna focus that all over my lid. That's how YouTube started, you guys, with these get ready tutorials. And now it's like all these special effects and it's just like, man, I don't have time for that. Don't you hate that when you can't find your brush and then it's like literally right in front of your eyes but you can't see it? Take a crease brush and I'm gonna go into the color Cheers right here. Use this as my transition shade. Take my Morphe M506 brush. I love this brush, you guys. If you're looking for a really good crease brush, I definitely recommend this brush. I'm gonna go ahead and go into this color right here, Wingman, which is kind of this nice burgundy red color. Right into my crease. Oh my god, liveth. Corner. Take a blending brush. This is the Morphe 433. You see, this always happens to me. I end up like Picasso, like I'm just painting. Manhattan right here. Kind of like this dark brown eyeshadow right here. Morphe E36 brush. I'm going to pack this in the outer corner just to kind of create some dimension. I love this palette. I believe you can get it on Morphe for like $15, guys. $15 for all these eyeshadows is not a bad price at all. And we are definitely gonna blend this out. So I'm gonna take another blending brush, take this color Snap right here, spray it just so it shows more vibrantly. I'm going to pack this on the lid. Very, very nice. Wow. Do you see how like so much more vibrant that eyeshadow is when you spray it? My camera just died all of a sudden. Go in with this color Spritzer right here. It's like this gold corally color with like a lot of shimmer. Spray it again. And I'm just gonna pack it in the center. Perfect. I'm gonna curl my lashes. After I curl my lashes, I'm gonna do a winged liner. I get so many compliments on the wing liner that I use. I'm honestly using the Maybelline Master Precise. Love this thing. This is a very fine tip, so it really gets a nice wing. Oh, I'm gonna take these off. Throw them away. Eyes feel so amazing. I feel like my puffiness definitely gone down. It kind of does take some practice to do wing liner. Like I can just do it so easy. I don't like fill it in like that. I just feel like that's too much for me, especially if I'm wearing lashes. This is the Voluminous Million Lashes by L'Oreal, and then I also use the Maybelline, just like this pink tube. This one is the one in waterproof. I love wearing waterproof mascara just because it really lengthens my lashes. Tap it onto my ends. So I just let that one coat dry. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go in with primer. I have so much primers on my vanity. It switches from day to day. So I've recently been using this green tea primer. I don't know if this is breaking me out, but I'm not gonna use this today. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever primer. Is the hydrating primer. It's great to use in the wintertime, especially during the colder months when your face becomes dry. I love the smell of this primer. I haven't found like a primer that I love. So while that soaks into my skin, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Flip it around this way to where like the curve is up. Can you see that? I'm gonna tap it onto the ends. You see how much of a difference that makes? Do you or no? Just tap it into the ends. Blink. And I just coat that through my lashes. I'm not gonna wear falsies today just because I just do not feel like wearing falsies. Foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. This one's a little bit too white for me. Onto my skin. My black beauty blender, which is filthy. This is my holy grail. Not tried the spray, definitely purchase it. It's only $7 at Ulta. Love it. I use it for so many things. Wet my beauty blender, just everything. So what I do is I'm just gonna dab this foundation, and I love this foundation. It's affordable, and like look how covered up my pimples look. Do you see what I'm saying? Love it. It looks a little scary, but once it oxidizes, it's going to blend in, you guys. Also, take it down your neck. I don't like to take it all over my chest because sometimes I wear a necklace and I just don't like the makeup on my neck. Using this Kokie Professional Concealer. This is in the color Medium Beige. It doesn't make me too cakey throughout the day, and I actually got this in my glam bag. Also down the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Drag it up here on my forehead. I'm going to cover these bad boys. Okay, I'm gonna wet my beauty blender. I'm just going to tap this. And whenever I cover a zit, I always use the pointy side and I just work around it because I sometimes feel like if you directly go on your pimple, it's not gonna cover it as well as you want it to. But yeah, I don't know. Did that do a difference? I hope it did. I don't know. I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. translucent powder. This is the HD powder. Literally almost out of it. So what I do is I take my, oh my god, filthy. I need to wash my makeup brushes. That's probably why I'm breaking out as well too, but a girl don't have time. Take my Morphe beauty sponge and I'm just going to pat that in there, and I'm just going to tap right underneath my eyes and turn it this way and to this side. Sometimes I don't like to use too much of this because it does make me look hella white. And I'm just going to press it as well here. I personally don't like to use foundation on my ears just because most of the time first of all, I hate my ears. I just don't like, I shouldn't say hate. I dislike my ears. I feel like that's one of my insecurities is my ears. I don't apply, I thought I heard something. This contour palette by City Color. Love it. You got a highlight, a bronzer, and a contour. Dip it in this dark color right here. While I'm baking, I'm just gonna drag this along the sides of my nose. I know it looks scary at first, but we are definitely going to blend it. Girl, you scary. NYX matte bronzer in the color medium. Going to swirl, tap, and I'm using this angled brush by Bare Minerals. I'm going to tap this right on my forehead, just my little temples right here. I'm going to drag it like that. Boom. Boom with that contour. I kind of shouldn't have put that on my pimple because now it's going to show, but whatever. I'm going to take my pink beauty blender and I'm just going to tap the bronzer out, just so it blends a lot better. You really have to blend this out, otherwise you just look dirty. I go in with my Luxie detailed tapered brush to just really blend the crap out of this because I do not like a dirty nose. Camera has shut off. The third time my camera has shut off. Okay, this white color right here, highlight my nose. This is just the tip and then drag it down the bridge. Also, I'm gonna highlight my inner corners and my eyebrows, my brow bone. I love a highlight up there. Love it, girl. Also blend it out, cause I don't know, you don't wanna be looking crazy. Rose Gold Blush by Surfing Botanics. Very pretty. I'm gonna take a blush brush and I'm gonna smile and drag it up like this. On this side. Dust away my bake, which I should have done before I actually did blush. Back in with my waterproof mascara. Today I'm not wearing falsies. I'm sorry guys, I did not have time. I have to go, so I'm just gonna load up the mascara. Love this brush. This is the Morphe M432 brush. It's super, super awesome to get right underneath my lower lash line, which I super love. So I'm gonna go back into this color right here called Cheers. It's kind of like an orangey brown color. Tap this into my lower lash line. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at how amazing. Now I use a different mascara for my lower lashes. Why do I keep hearing something? I'm gonna use the Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara to get my lower lashes. My favorite part after everything is I'm gonna take my spray again, just set my face. And I don't know if this is a setting spray or not, but I used it as a setting spray. So I spray my face and then I'm gonna go back in with a highlight. So I have been using the Becca Shimmering Skin Gradient Glow. It comes with different highlights. You got a blush, bronzer. I only use these two colors right here. So I take my Morphe M5110 brush. This is perfect for highlighting. So I just kind of swoop it in there, tap it, and then I just look at this highlight. Girl, bye. And I said it one more time because I'm crazy. So for lips, I'm gonna be taking my NYX lip liner in Cherry Skies. I am gonna go for a really dark color called LAX. It's like a deep burgundy color. The thing this is by ColourPop, by the way. The only thing I don't like about ColourPop is it's very drying. Well, maybe the old formula, but I bought this a while back ago. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use on my lips. Oh my god, talk about butthole lips. I think I used the wrong lip liner. Sorry, I always stick my finger. Sorry, that's weird. But it kind of like keeps it all away from my teeth. It's like very drying right now. I don't like this. Camera keeps shutting off. I just don't know why. So yeah, that's it for this makeup look. I love it. In love with this eye look. I think it's so perfect for fall time. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me fall edition. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment down below. I gotta go. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
She wants you, go get it. She wants you, go get it. She wants to spin it, go get it.